in Denver Hill.
Yeah, most people don't use this thing at all unless they do stuff.
Gotcha. That was security.
They don't mind. I think that's an idea.
Oh yeah. He looked at me for a second. I actually was wondering if he was gonna ask what I was doing. But I mean, since I'm with you.
They'll take one look, see if I can.
It's an old Montgomery. Quickly, we'll look at this call button here. Old white buttons.
The door closes, the other one doesn't. So you gotta pull the gate shut, you don't gotta pull that one shut.
Montgomery elevator.
And that will slam.
That's a new spurator. All right.
What's funny is the floors are all actually off in numbers.
Interesting. Is this not? This isn't a floor, is it?
It is a floor.
All right.
That's where we just were. That's the basement.
Wait. So were we on what was
We were on
what?
B.
I see.
So
Okay.
it acts as if that's the basement, first floor, second floor, sub basement.
Weird. Okay. Whoa, that's a good motor. We'll take one more ride down and up. Also, did you notice this button has a different
It'll click the relays over.
Oh, that's awesome. This button has a different contact than this one. See, this one pushes in less, and this one, I'll show that for the
Pushes
camera.
all the way in. We shouldn't ride it too many times. There are techs that use it.
Okay.
On the right side, we can't really get stuck.
All right. One more ride up. We'll do a silent ride.
In fact, you can actually also, like, you can pull open the door before it stops and it'll still level.
Oh, interesting. Yeah, some old elevators will do that.
I see the people coming off it all the time will do that.
Interesting. Quickly view the cab. All right, back up to 2. We'll do a silent ride. Interesting how it levels.
Over levels and goes
Yeah,
back.
that's interesting. We'll get off on this floor because you said
Well-
the button lights up here.
You can, this one might, let me check. It does.
Let's see.
Check it out. We'll ride back to B actually, we're gonna go there.
Okay, we'll end it there.
Yep. But yeah, give it a push here,
Ooh,
it'll light up, see?
nice.
Yeah.
Looks like that used to be a drinking fountain there.
Probably.
Interesting. Oh, that's the paint shop. Notice.
Closed. Alright, on this ride.
Silence.
Yes. And darkness.
No.
Wait, is that a big relay?
Wait, yeah.
No.
I don't know what that was. Yeah, I heard that too.
I thought it was like a relay.
This thing is pretty neat.